Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Cavi, and today we're about to go get our truck straight piped. Alright, I finally made it. Oh, gotta lock it. I'm up here at National Muffler and Exhaust out here in Gulfport, Mississippi. And let's get it started. So hey, it's your boy Cavi. In this video I'm posting, I just got the muffler delete done. Got a straight pipe put on. That muffler is actually pretty long. They cut part of the heat shield and took that muffler out, no problem. Maybe like a 20-minute job. Straight pipe, weld on both ends. Sounds great. I'm gonna give y'all that cold start real quick. Overall, it was a pretty good job. I'm pretty pleased with the sound. Has a little bit more aggression, which is exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, I went to National Muffler in Gulfport. They gave me a pretty fair price. They're pretty reasonable, pretty fast, friendly, A1 service. It's great. But yeah, until next time, I got some more videos for you. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you. It's much appreciated. Everybody have a great day.